This is John Popper reporting from Whitestown, Indiana. The total solar eclipse is just a few minutes away. I don't know what you can see on my phone, probably not much. But it is nearly covered up. Of course, there is the concern that this is not a real natural event, but a government conspiracy. And that they are playing with fire here. They're going to turn off the sun. Will they be able to turn it back on again? That's the real question. Alright. It is definitely getting down to almost nothing. It is a little bit darker here. I suppose we have about 1 minute. And I'm going to try to say something entertaining here for the next minute. All these people here, they're fooled. They believe that this is not a government conspiracy. They believe that the sun is really going to be covered up by the moon. But we know as soon as that sun gets covered up, they're going to start making demands of us. Alright, well, we are just about there, folks. We are just about there. Just wait for the demands to start coming in, because that's what's going to happen. You know it's true. You know it's true. Alright, well, let's see if the world comes to an end here as the sun disappears. This may be the end, folks. This may really be it. This may be the end for all of us. This may be the end for all of us. Well, if you can see it, I don't know. It is about to disappear. There it is. It's gone. No more sun. Now the question is, will they be able to turn it back on? Will they be able to turn it back on? I don't know. We'll wait and see here. Now there is definitely a corona, and I cannot see it through my eclipse glasses at all. So we got to look out from under the eclipse glasses to see it for just a second. And on the video, it's not coming in clearly. There is definitely a black disc in the middle of a white disc. Looking at this right now with my eyes, but again, I have to pull it out from the glasses to see it. Only doing that for a matter of seconds and then putting them back down. So just for a second, looking and then putting it back down. Looking at my phone now and seeing, just again, you guys are not seeing exactly what we are, but I do see some stars, a couple, not too many. It's kind of hazy here, but will it get turned back on? That is the question. That is the question. Alright. It is not as dark as I thought it would be, but it's pretty dark. As you can see here, it is pretty dark. It's definitely like evening. Definitely like an evening. Right. So I wish that these glasses would be a little more see-through so I could actually stare at this eclipse, but I can't do that. I know some people probably are, and they're probably going blind right now, but I'm just taking a little peek at it now and then. Just a little peek to see that corona. And I think we're going to be seeing the sun popping up here again in just a matter of seconds. I think, in fact, I see something extra bright at the bottom of the sun right now. Maybe that's starting to come through. It's definitely a red dot right at the bottom of the sun right now. Compared to the color of everything else, there's an orange dot. And again, I don't know if that's the sun about to peek over that way, or if that's some kind of an alien, or if that's a light on the Death Star that's blocking the sun. Maybe that's the death ray that they're going to shoot at us from the Death Star. I don't know. We're all going to find out here. We're all going to find out. Will the sun come back? Well, I certainly hope so. I'm going to keep this video rolling all the way till it comes back. If it doesn't come back, well, we'll just keep rolling until I run out of battery. Once again, we'll just look around and see the darkness around us. It's like the late evening. Here, and I think we are, whoa, something just happened very strange. The entire sun just got very bright. There's no ring, that's it. That it is starting to come back. Yep, just barely a sliver back, and it looks like a big, bold, bright sphere again. Even to my naked eyes, a big bright sphere. There's no way you can see this without the glasses. I'm going to try putting the glasses over the camera and see what that brings up. Oh, there it is, a little sliver. That's the sun. That is the sun starting to come back. And it's just a sliver. Just a sliver. I know the camera's not good enough to really see it, but that is a sliver of sun. All right, well, it looks like the sun is going to come back, so I am going to sign off, and I hope you all enjoy this eclipse experience.